Hi guys, this is Saili Gullane. Welcome you amazing ones in my channel. Today we are going to explore the application architecture. But before moving towards today's discussion, as usual, we'll take a short memory of our last video in which we saw characteristics and the domain of the software applications, and also we look into how application components and characteristics will help us for checking functional and non-functional requirements during software testing. Application architecture defines a blueprint for various hardware and software components and their interactions. So, software application can be broadly categorized into various types based on the architecture as follows. So, in that, first one is desktop applications, second is client server application, third is web applications, and fourth one is mobile applications. Desktop applications. In which we can say that desktop applications runs standalone in a desktop or laptop computers, means which is run only on desktop or laptop. Then we can say that all components of the desktop application are installed on a single computer. Only single user can use the application at a time, means at a time only single person can use this desktop type of application. This type of application needs one copy each per computer, means per computer required single copy a desktop application. For example, like Microsoft Office, then media player, then web browser, and many more. Then there is an important point, which is the programming technologies used to develop such applications are C, C++, Visual Basics, VC++, and etc. Client server applications. There can be a multiple clients which is connected to a single server. In this client server application, there is multiple clients which is connected to a single server. Now, what is mean by clients and what is mean by server? So, the program that sends request, that we called it as a clients, and the program who serves the request, that we called it as a server. Okay, so communication between client and server is managed through the proprietary network protocol, which is usually implemented local area network. Okay, in this case there are the two tiers. First one is client and second one is server. So client, we can say that it is a front end, and server, we can say that this is a back end. The technologies which are used to implement the front end means client, that are Visual Basics, then VCC++, then Java Swings, Power Builder, and etc. Okay, and the technologies which are used for implementing the server backend, that are the database, like which are the database? SQL Server, then Oracle, we can say that, Sybase, and MySQL, and many more. Third is web applications. To make the application accessible for the world on internet, there are 3-tier architectures of web applications. There are 3-tier architecture of web application which comes into existence. The 3 tiers are, which are they? So the first one is web browser. So the web browser that act as a client. Second one is web server. Web server which process the request, and the third one tier is database server. Third one is database server that stores data. So the browser uses a protocol. That protocol we called it as HTTP protocol, and that HTTP protocol we called it as a hypertext transfer protocol to communicate with the web browser. Means this HTTP protocol we are using for the communication to the with the web browser. Now, which are the web browsers? Which are the web browsers? We are enlisting some, like Internet Explorer, then Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. Next is, which are the web server? Which are the web servers? IIS, Apache, Tomcat, and many more. Then, which are the server-side scripting technologies? Means server-side scripting technologies are, we can say that, PHP, then ASP, ASP.NET, and many more, which is included inside the server-side scripting technologies. Okay, So this is a diagram which is of web application. There is an internet which is connected to the web server, and the data of web server is stored in database server. There are many client browsers is connected to the internet, which uses the HTTP protocol, who uses for communication with the web browsers. Fourth architecture is the mobile applications. Mobile applications are developed for used on smartphones, then tablets, etc. etc. Applications are downloaded and used across different mobile devices with different service provider networks. All components of the applications are installed on the single handsets. Okay. Application may or may not need internet connectivity. There is no need of internet. Okay. Then mobile applications runs on mobile operating system. Applications can be OS specific. It can be OS specific, etc. That is, there are 3 types of mobile applications. First one is stand-alone applications. Second one is enterprise applications. Third one is websites. So in standalone application, these are resides on mobile features and do not interact with the external applications. Means standalone applications are these resides on mobile, use mobile features but do not interact with the external application. We are taking an example, that is calculator and games. Okay. In second one, that is enterprise application, the web application used in enterprise are also made available for use via mobile by developing the client for mobile usage. Client for mobile usage. Okay. For example, CRM, customer relationship management software on mobile. We are taken one example of CRM, that is customer relationship management software on mobile. Then third one is websites. These websites used via computers, which is converted into mobile applications, right? These are accessed not via browsers but a native application on mobile. Okay, we are taking one example, that is Facebook or IRCTC mobile application. These are the 2 examples which we are using through the browsers but as a native application on mobile. Okay, so this is nothing but the mobile application. I hope you are enjoyed it and understand today's topic well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to know about more amazing videos on this channel, and make sure you hit that like button as well. So let's catch up in the next one.